Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install MySQL on Mac. Click on web browser. I am using Google Chrome, you can use any web browser. Type here in Google search. Download MySQL. Press enter. Click on first link MySQL download. MySQL official website is open. Scroll down. Click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Click on MySQL Community Server. So you can see the MySQL version 9.6.0. If you have Mac Apple Silicon chips like M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, so you are going to select the first option, which is macOS 15 ARM 64-bit DMG archives. But in my case I have Intel Mac. So I am going to select second option, macOS 15 x86 64-bit DMG archives. Click on download. Click no thanks, just start my download. Now the downloading is started. It is 618 megabytes setup file. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is my SQL setup file. Let's right-click on it. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Close Downloads. Right-click on MySQL package. Open with Installer. Click Allow. Close Installer package. Click Continue. Software License Agreement. Click Continue. Click Agree. Select a destination. Leave as default. Click Continue. This will take 689 megabytes of space on your computer. Click Install. Type here Rohit user password. Click Install software. Now the installation in progress. This will take 3 to 4 minutes. Set the password of root user. Click Finish. Type here Rohit password again. Click OK. The installation was completed successfully. Click Close. Do you want to move MySQL installer to the bin? In my case I will keep this installer file. Now once MySQL is installed, you can open the System's Settings option. Click on Apple icon. Click System Settings. Scroll down. Click MySQL. You can see green light in front of MySQL and installed instances. So we have installed MySQL 9. It's already running because we can see this green light in front of both of these options. Click on Configuration. You will see all the directories related to MySQL. So you can see base directory for MySQL is user local MySQL, then data directory is this one, user local MySQL /data, where all your database files will be saved, and similarly there are paths for plugin directory, error logs and PID file write. So all these files are present here. Now let's try to connect to our MySQL server using the terminal. Open macOS search bar. Then search terminal. Click Terminal. Increase terminal server font size. Copy the base directory path. Go to Terminal. Type sudo. Paste the copied path on Terminal. Type /bin /MySQL space -u space root space -p. Press Enter. Type here admin password. Press Enter. Type admin password again. Press Enter. Type here root password. Press Enter. Now the MySQL connect on terminal. Now I am going to see MySQL default databases. Type show databases semicolon. Press Enter. These are the default databases of MySQL. Close System Settings. Now I am going to create new database. Type command. Create database. Demo semicolon. Press Enter. Now our demo database is created. Now let's verify of create database. Now I am going to see again MySQL databases. Now run again show databases semicolon. Press Enter. As you can see, demo database is showing here. Close terminal. Click Terminate. Eject MySQL disk. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install MySQL on Mac. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.